To remove the cable cover, first remove the two Torx 15 security screws for the cover, if the optional security screws are in use. Note you will need to use a screwdriver with a hollow tip to remove the screw. Slide each of the locking latches for the cable cover to the center unlocked position. Pull the cable cover off of the unit. The cable cover has two tabs at the top and two tabs at the bottom that fit into slots on the rear of the PC. To replace the cable cover, align the tabs into their slots. Slide each of the locking latches for the cable cover into the outside locked position. Replace the two Torx 15 security screws for the cable cover if they were installed at removal.